In this demo, we're giving an example of where you can pull data from the Shopify API into your front end with a little bit of custom liquid and JavaScript using our web request trigger. In this example, someone was interested in pulling in inventory levels by location and displaying that on the product page. And we were able to do that with the following workflow. Let's jump in. All right, so we are going to pull the inventory levels into the product page by location. So it's going to look a little something like this here. And this is a great use case for our web request trigger, which just gives you, when you set this up, it gives you a URL that you can hit from anywhere, in this case, from the front end of the site. And you can basically, within this workflow, we can do whatever we want to do. I'd use a little custom code just because getting the location name is a little tricky with the standard steps there. So we're grabbing the inventory levels by location name, available quantity. And so here is the liquid code that we're dealing with. Actually, it's a little easier to see here. This is going to give you the little HTML there on the product page. And then here's where you're going to replace this URL with the webhook URL that you have in your account once you install this workflow. And we're just grabbing that and we are turning that into the HTML that you see there. And here's what it looks like on the front end, kind of the same deal there. And here's in your, let me just show you how to get into here. You go to online store themes, customize your theme, and then go into your product template. And that's where you would add in, come on, dude, let me get in here. Click on that. Where is this sucker? Ah, here we go. I don't know why it doesn't let you click on that very easily. Yeah, I mean, what you want to do is basically, you can go anywhere within here and you can just add the block wherever you want that in that section there. And then you can drop that custom liquid in, and then again, you're just pasting that in and you are customizing webhook URL. You're pasting that in from here. I'll copy it and then you paste it in there and then you're good to go. Oh, and here's that code, obviously, that you can copy in. You can download the workflow there. I hope that helps. If you need any help setting that up, feel free to let us know.